Hey family, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be doing this unicorn inspired Frohawk. First, I started off with freshly washed hair. Okay, so in creating the first section, what I'm going to do is separate her hair just by pulling the midsection up above her hair, and I'm going to separate it with a soft scrunchie. Then I'm going to go back through with a comb, and I'm going to go ahead and give her a fine part. But I'm going to go ahead and create this section using the Lady Egypt's Cosmetic Caramel Apple Whipped Shea Butter. That's a lot to say. I'm going to go ahead and moisturize her hair. What I like about this product is that it is packed with essential oils. It hydrates her hair, it protects her hair from the summer heat, and it definitely helps reduce breakage. I also like it because it smooths her hair and it gives her hair like a soft feel, but it definitely keeps her hair in line. Not to mention it controls the frizz while adding all the shine. So I'm just going to go ahead and slick this back, tie a little ouchless rubber band around her hair. Now that the first section has been created, I'm going to go ahead and secure it down just so that it isn't in the way, because sometimes whenever you leave the hair like hanging like that in a ponytail, it can kind of get caught up with the second section. So I'm going to go ahead in a counterclockwise motion, secure the hair by twisting it and clamping it with just a little hair clip, and I'm just going to go ahead and secure it down with to the towel, nothing too serious. In this second section, it's all about repetition. I'm going to go ahead and use the shea butter mixture, hydrating her hair, and also using the Sulfur 8 and getting into her scalp with it. And then following so, I'm just going to go ahead and make sure I slick the sides down. I like to use my curly buttercream by Taliah Waajid. So I'm going to go ahead and slick her hair down and add in the ouchless rubber band. Alright y'all, so we've made it to the third section. What I'm going to do is show you how I create my what I call a triangle part. So this section is where it starts to change up because it's a midsection. It's where her crown is. So in doing so, I'm going to go ahead and create my triangle, and then I'm going to create my line going all the way across. But make sure that you try and keep it as even as possible in creating your triangle on the other end. I'm going to go ahead and add my shea butter mixture and my curly curl cream from Taliah Waajid to slick down the sides. And I'm going to go ahead and add in the ouchless rubber band. Alright, so after adding in the ouchless rubber band, I'm going to go ahead in a clockwise motion, secure her hair down just with the clamp that we have been using in the previous sections. And I'm going to go ahead and speed this video up just to show you what the 6 sections will look like. And then we'll get on to just adding a little bit more texture to her Frohawk. Alright, so the only difference that I'm going to do in this 6th section is in the very front, I'm going to use the Caramel Apple Whipped Shea Butter. I'm going to use the Curly Curl Cream from the Taliah Waajid line, but I'm also going to use just a little bit of the Eco Styler Jelly just to get those flyaways and slick her hair down so that I can create a nice slick bang in the front. So now I'm going to go ahead and add in the ouchless rubber band, and I'm going to show you how I define Lola's Frohawk. Y'all, Lo absolutely love this look if you can't tell just by looking at the clips of the videos. Oh my gosh. So anyways, getting into the definition and how I define Lola's hair, I just take a little bit of the Taliah Waajid Curly Curl Cream, and not going from root to tip. As you can see, I like to give it a little bit more body, a little bit more oomph. So I just curl the ends. Alright, so that was pretty much the look. I basically just grabbed clusters of her hair, and at the ends I twisted it with the Curly Curl Cream going all the way up from the bottom to the top. I didn't try to add too much fine detail because, like I said earlier, I did want a little bit of body. Alright, so if you were a fan of this look, if your toddler tried it out, really liked it, make sure to give it a like, thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching this video, guys. Bye!
Bye!